Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet and press the bell icon for further notification on my videos. Thank you. Whenever we visit Andhra restaurant, we get served with a gunpowder with rice and ghee, which tastes awesome, isn't it? Yes, the same podi recipe I'm preparing it today and it is called Parappu Podi. Let's see the ingredients. I have taken half cup of chana dal and half cup of Toor Dal. Both the quantity should be equal. 5 red chilies, 10 to 15 curry leaves, salt to taste, cumin seeds and hing powder. Let's begin the recipe. Take a pan and add the chana dal, Toor Dal, red chili, curry leaves and cumin seeds. We need to dry roast the ingredients till the dal changes the color into brown, light brown. Let's roast it on medium flame for about 10 to 15 minutes. Keep sauteing it continuously so that the dal doesn't get burnt. After 15 minutes, you can see the color of the dal has changed. Now let's off the flame, and when the pan is hot itself, we will add the salt to taste and hing powder and saute it for about 10 seconds. Now let the mixture cool. Our dal has cooled, so let's put it in the blender. Now we will grind it into a smooth powder. Our Parappu Podi is ready to serve with hot rice and ghee. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you liked it. Thanks for watching.